Hey, welcome to Mama Salama. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the little bell for notifications of when we post new videos. Hello, and welcome back to our show. I'm so excited. Hi guys, welcome back. And if you're new, we're so excited. Welcome. Oh, as you guys know, I love the Elephant and Piggie books. These are my favorites. Today we are going to read There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Are you guys ready? I don't hear you. What? A little louder. Are you guys ready? Okay. All right. I think you guys are. I will take that as a yes. All right, here we go. There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Just a cute elephant and a piggy hanging out.
Piggy! Is that something on my head?
Yes. There's a bird on your head.
There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now?
No. Now there are two birds on your head. What?
What are these two birds doing on my head?
They are in love.
The birds on my head are in love?
They are lovebirds.
Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds?
They are making a nest. Look at that.
Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Well, I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head?
One, two, three! You have 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Oh, then I have good news.
The eggs are gone?
The eggs are hatching.
Hatching? The eggs are hatching. The eggs on my head are hatching.
Look at the baby birds. Cheep, 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 cheep. Oh, they have hatched.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. 3 baby chicks.
And 2 birds and a nest.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else!
Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them?
Ask them.
Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds? Will you please go somewhere else?
No problem.
Wow, it worked!
Bye.
Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Now she's got the birds on her head. Look at that. The end. That was another awesome story, you guys. Thank you so much for staying here and listening to this awesome story. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.